you've got cash. Can you imagine making money every time you get a text message? And how cool would it be if you also got paid every time any of your friends got a text message? Well, we are about to put a smile on your face. Hello and welcome to CashTexts.com. CashTexts is a Get Paid To program that is absolutely 100% free to join. When you register your mobile phone number with us and configure your likes and preferences in the back office, we will start sending you exciting offers and laser-targeted promotions multiple times a day. Each time you get one of our text message offers, you will earn 5 cents. If you see something that looks intriguing or appealing to you, simply access the offer from your smartphone or enter the offer code at cashtexts.com/offers to get more details. You're not obligated to open and read each offer to get paid, but chances are you'll discover some irresistible daily deals. And at any time you like, you can pause receiving text message deals and resume later with a simple flip of a switch in your back office. To sweeten the pot and make things even more exciting, you could win one of our weekly cash prizes, ranging from $5 all the way to $100 whenever you click on a deal. Prizes are randomly pre-assigned every time a text message blast goes out. If you happen to open one of the specially coded messages, you'll immediately be notified of your prize winnings. Cha-ching! Now, as fun as it is to get text messages that pay you 5 cents every time, it's not going to make you rich. It might help you pay for your next cappuccino or cheeseburger, but that's about it. Well, hang on to your hat, because things are about to get really exciting. We are also going to pay you 5 cents anytime your friends get a text message from us. When you share your personal referral code with your friends and they use that code to sign up for CashTexts, then anytime they get a text message, you make 5 cents. If you tell 10 friends about CashTexts and they each get 5 text messages on any given day, you'll earn 5 cents times 10 friends times 5 text messages, or $2.50 for that day. Remember, you didn't pay a dime to join. That makes things a little more intriguing, doesn't it? And referring your friends is as easy as pie. As soon as you sign up and get your personal referral code, you simply need to browse through the contact list on your mobile phone. Chances are, within a few minutes, you can find 10 to 20 people who would love to get paid to receive text messages just like you. Just tell them to text the phrase CashTexts plus your ID number to the short code 69302, and poof, they're automatically locked in with you as their sponsor. But it doesn't stop there. When your friends tell their friends, then you get paid 4 cents every time those people get a text message. You make 3 cents for every text message received by people on your 3rd referral level, 2 cents on your 4th level, and 1 cent on your 5th level. You can do the math and see how much you could potentially make across your entire 5-level referral network. When you take into account the fact that CashTexts is spreading like a Texas wildfire, combined with the leverage potential of a 5-level payout, you may have a hard time sleeping tonight. Currently, we are only sending offers to members in the USA. Within a very short period of time, we will expand into Canada and the United Kingdom. However, anybody from any country can sign up as a CashTexts member absolutely free and still participate in the 5-level compensation plan. Our goal at CashTexts is to be able to offer all of our members great deals anywhere in the world. So what are you waiting for? It takes less than 2 minutes on average to register your mobile phone number with CashTexts, or to verify your email address for international members, and get your personal referral code to share with family and friends. Cash in on a huge growing trend, SMS text message marketing direct to the end consumer. You will be providing a valuable service to businesses who are frustrated with the low rate of return they're getting on their current marketing efforts, and earning cash daily to boot. With laser-targeted offers, we match advertisers and customers and create a win-win solution for everybody involved. Tap into the power of word of mouth and build a huge CashTexts network with the help of this video and other tools available in your CashTexts back office. Get started today as a cutting-edge text message marketing entrepreneur. And welcome to the CashTexts family. Please be sure to get back with the person who shared this presentation with you.